guys, I'm so excited.
Speed away from the holy mind.
Look how good this looks. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. This is my salad. I have my salmon for toppings. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Please excuse the way I sound and look today. I'm just not getting over a terrible strep throat. And honestly, I've been having so many like health complications and like sicknesses the past like 3 weeks. I've been dealing with a lot, and I'm in a place where I'm just like, I'm so depressed about my health, and I've just been struggling a lot. So I thought in this video I'll just like sit down and give you guys a little health update and just tell you guys where I am currently and what I'm doing to help myself get back on a healthy lifestyle. So before last week, 2 weeks ago, I don't know if it was like food poisoning or like if I caught a viral bug that was going around, but I just caught something and my stomach was in like, it was ruptured. I was going to the bathroom like several times a week and it lasted for 2 weeks. Like I literally was waking up at night with excruciating sharp pain in my stomach, and it was awful. So that itself scared me because I've had stomach bug before, but I've never felt that bad in my life. And I was like, oh my god, what is this sharp pain? So I went through so many tests. I did blood tests, urine tests, stool tests. Oh, by the way, this video is gonna be TMI. I did a abdominal x-ray. Like I did it all and everything came back like normal. Obviously the diarrhea was not normal, but my doctor was like, there's no obstruction in your intestine. I don't know what to tell you other than like go find a GI doctor, which by the way, I already have a GI doctor. I've been seeing her for about 3 years now, and we got to the point where my doctor literally told me, like, I've tried everything with you, like every regimen. She's a holistic functional doctor, but she also practices traditional. So she'll give me like both a natural approach, and then she'll also give me like more of a traditional approach with medication. And we tried both of them. And we got to the point where she said, like, I don't have any more options to provide you. Like, you're gonna have to go seek someone else. And that literally shattered me because like the last thing, hold on, I think this is too bright. But those lines that my doctor said crushed me because like nobody wants to hear that. Like when you're going to a doctor, you're hoping for a cure and a remedy and a treatment. And yeah, when she said that to me, like I was like, oh god, here we go again. Like I'm gonna have to go find someone new, run all my tests again. So yeah, that's where I am with my gut. My gut finally, thankfully, alhamdulillah, like I no longer have diarrhea, but I can tell like I'm not in a place where my digestion feels normal or my absorption feels normal. But that was like 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. And then I caught strep, which sorry, strep is not a big deal. Like I know strep, people get strep all the time. I used to get strep a ton when I was younger, but to just go from one sickness to another, it just was like, oh come on, like why is this happening? So all that to say, I'm going to share with you guys what I'm eating currently for proper gut health. So I always start off with water, and then I also start off with flaxseed oil. I take a spoonful of flaxseed oil every morning. That's something I started in Ramadan, so it's been about 3 months now. And then for breakfast, honestly, my breakfast just like it varies. Today I had lentil soup, so this is like almost finished. I'm just trying to find things that are warm for my throat and then like fibrous for my gut, so I can just like help things move around. If anything, I'm hoping out of this video you guys will find some nutritious, healthy recipes. This recipe for my lentil soup, I've already linked it in one of my other videos, so I'll link it down below. It's super yummy, not only for people who are having gut problems, but it's a really good easy meal to have the days that you want to just be vegetarian or you want to eat light. It's also great soup to pair with like salads and stuff, so I'll link it down below. Now I'm having some ginger tea. I've been trying to have 2 cups a day because it really helps with a sore throat and boosting the immunity. Also, ginger has a ton of antimicrobial properties, which is great for like killing bacteria and improving your gut. So my mom has been making me a cup every day, and oh my god, I need to give like a big shout out to my mom because honestly without her, like my health would be like literally nothing, because she's been cooking and prepping literally all my meals since I've been sick since the stomach bug. So I just owe her that. So thank you, mama, for this nice delicious cup of tea. While I drink that, I'm just like waiting for Zohar because Zohar is literally about to start in like 10 minutes. So then I'm gonna pray and then we can head out. We're gonna go to Whole Foods. I'm gonna pick up some like fresh salmon. I just feel like I need to eat a lot more like fresh, healthy protein and veggies. So I'm gonna pick up veggies and then we're gonna come back and make a delicious lunch. And also I'm thinking on the way we'll probably stop and get a yummy like healthy snack. There's this new place in town called Pressed, and they make like these yummy desserts. It's kind of like a blend of an acai bowl and a froyo, but it's all healthy because it's made out of pressed juice and vegetables. So we're gonna go try that out. We'll try it out together. I haven't tried one out here in Houston. I did try it out when I was in New York? Yeah, New York, and it was so good. So I'm like actually really excited. I just got here. I got the goods. I'm so excited. So I got 6 juices for the week. And I know this is like super expensive and it's just a lot cheaper to juice at home. But honestly, you guys, I'm so stressed out with my health. Sorry, can you hear me? I am so stressed out with my health that anything that I can do to make things more convenient and like enjoyable, I'm trying to do that. Later, as I get a little bit healthier, then I'll start like juicing at home and be a little bit more cost efficient. But right now, I am so stressed out that the thought of like juicing is like too much for me to do. So I picked up these juices. I picked up 6 of them. So the first one I got is Greens 1, and this has, can you guys see that? This is what this one has. It has cucumber, celery, spinach, lemon, kale, and parsley. So I got 2 of those. Then I got 2 power greens. This is the power green. This has cucumber, apple, celery, spinach, lime, mint, bok choy, collard greens, and green chard. And I think those are the only 2 that I got. Yeah, I'm just really trying to get in a ton of greens. So I got these. And then what I really came for, so this is like kind of like an acai bowl, but also kind of like froyo. It's a blend of both of them, and it's healthy because they only use plant-based ingredients. So it's all fruit or vegetables and no sweetener added. And if they do use sweetener, they use dates. Look how good this looks. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. So you can choose a ton of toppings from like chocolate chips to cookies. I was trying to keep it healthy, so I got bananas, almond slices, and almond butter. And then the base is dragon fruit. We're walking into Whole Foods. I'm gonna quickly just grab a few ingredients. I'm gonna get something for a salad, some salmon, and a couple things, and then we'll go home and make lunch.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving.
This is my salad. I have my salmon. For toppings, I did roasted almonds and half of an avocado. And then I have a bed of some super greens. For the dressing, I did avocado, jalapeno. I wanted to add a clove of garlic, but we ran out. A bunch of cilantro, water, salt, and lemon, and I blend that up, and it's literally the best dressing. It sounds disgusting, but it's actually really good. And if you want to make it a little bit more runny, just add more water. I like mine's kind of thick. So this looks so good. I'm gonna eat this up. Now I'm going to have one of the green juices that I just picked up at the store. I also need to take my vitamins and my antibiotics because I'm taking it like twice a day, so this is the time. Let me see if I can set you guys up. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my probiotic first and my vitamin D. I usually take this at night, but because I'm taking antibiotics, I'm taking it throughout the day because I don't want my good bacteria to get wiped out because I'm taking the antibiotics. So I'm gonna take these two. Okay, I actually just realized my antibiotic is downstairs, so I will grab that in a second, but I thought we could do a taste test on camera and see what it tastes like. He did say, because I got the ones that are like heavily green and they don't have any fruit in it, it's going to be bitter, but I don't care. I'm just doing this for nutrition. I'm just gonna chug it down. And I actually don't mind the earthy flavors of like greens, so let's see. Ooh, yeah, no. It's too earthy for me. Oh gosh, it tastes like medicine. So I'm gonna have this, and actually my friend just texted me and asked me if I wanted to go out for dinner with her, and I almost said no because I'm filming this vlog. Then I thought, you know what? It's an actual real day of my life because I honestly probably don't eat all 3 meals at home all the time anyway. I always end up having dinner with like my sister or like somebody, and we're always out, which is something I'm really trying to control. I want to limit and reduce the amount of times I go out to eat, but tonight I said yes because she's a mom and she said she really needed a night out. So I don't know where we're going, but I'll show you guys what I end up eating. But that's not until an hour and a half or two. So before I leave, I'm gonna have like a small snack just to help my gut. My mom made some bone broth soup, which is so good for your gut. It's a really good gut healing and nutritious meal. So all you do is take what is it, bones of like any sort of meat. You can do chicken too if you want. Roast it for like 10 minutes to get all the nutrients like released and get juicy, and then you put it in a instant pot. That's what we use. Cover it with water and just let it do its thing for like 7 hours. It's really lightweight, but it's so nourishing for your gut lining. So I'm gonna have that before I go. Keep on driving and driving. Hello guys. Oh, terrible angle. I just got back home. You guys saw my dinner. My dinner was so good. I was actually a little bit worried. I was like, am I gonna find anything to eat? I wasn't that hungry because I had soup. I never got to show you guys my bone broth soup. I'm so sorry. I'll try to put a picture here on the screen, but I have a really, really good Pinterest recipe, so I'm gonna link it down for you guys. Check it out, especially if you're trying to heal your gut. But anyways, back to my dinner. I had a lettuce wrap taco with falafel in it, and it was so good. And then after that, we went and got ice cream, and we found a place that had vegan ice cream in it, so that was like my little treat. And yeah, it ended up being a really good day of eating, and now I'm just having my last bottle of water before I go to bed. And yeah, I just wanted to say, if any of you guys are going through anything similar, like having problems with your health or struggling with a certain diet, or it could be anything outside of even health, like whether it's like you're trying so hard to reach a goal and you're not getting there, I want you guys to remember that small baby steps is better than no steps at all, because it's still moving in the right direction towards your goal. So that's my 2 cents. I just wanted to say that. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see for my next video. I'm having such a hard time thinking of things to share with you guys because I just don't want to vlog every day. I want to like share something that's informative or helpful. So please let me know what you guys would like to see. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.